Hi everybody, Paul here. Today I want to talk to you about a check engine light turning on in your vehicle. So stay tuned. When a check engine light turns on, it'll look similar to this. It'll either stay on continuously or it'll flash on and off continuously. This can give people a really uneasy feeling or even a feeling of panic. A check engine light is probably the most misunderstood indicator on a dashboard because it doesn't tell you specifically what's wrong and it can mean a lot of different things. What it is telling you is something needs to be serviced. Over the years, I've had a lot of people tell me on my channel that they fixed a check engine light with this simple trick. Take a piece of black tape and stick it over the check engine light. I mean, seriously, you wouldn't believe some of the crazy things that people do to their vehicles. Please don't ever do that. If your check engine light turns on and stays on continuously, you do not need to pull the vehicle over to the side of the road and call a tow truck. However, you do want to have the car inspected as soon as possible by a good trustworthy mechanic to make the necessary repairs. The good news is, a lot of times it can be something easy to fix, so take slow deep breaths and try not to let it ruin your day. If your check engine light turns on and it's flashing, this means the vehicle has a dangerous condition, which means you should pull the vehicle over to the side of the road as soon as possible, turn the vehicle off, and have it towed to a good, trustworthy mechanic to make the necessary repairs. The good news is, a lot of times it can be something easy to fix, so take slow, deep breaths and try not to let it ruin your day. The reason a flashing check engine light is so dangerous is because it means the engine has a serious misfire condition. This means there's something seriously wrong with either the ignition, fuel, timing, or compression. A serious misfire condition will cause engine hesitation or a lack of power during acceleration when the gas pedal is pushed down, which can make the vehicle unsafe to drive. Driving a vehicle with a flashing check engine light can cause serious damage to internal parts of the engine due to uneven rotation and overheating, which is why it requires immediate attention. Driving a vehicle with a flashing check engine light will cause unburned fuel to be dumped into the exhaust system. This can damage oxygen sensors. This can also damage the catalytic converter by quickly raising the temperature of the catalytic converter, which can also cause the vehicle to catch on fire, which is why it requires immediate attention. Of course, you'll need a diagnostic scanner to try and fix the problem yourself. If you do not have a diagnostic scanner, then take the vehicle to an auto parts store, which will normally perform this service for free. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. And while you guys are fixing your vehicle, Sparky and I will be recycling ourselves.